This is the last task, and this is the last thing I'm going to show you this lesson, and it's about thick and thin lines. Now, we've all learnt about thick and thin lines before, so this is just a recap really, okay? Now, I'm going to draw some thick and thin lines on this object first, and again what you need is your ruler and a felt tip pen, okay? Now, with your felt tip pen, we're going to draw the thick and thin lines. How we remember where our thick and thin lines go is something called the spider, okay? The spider is going to walk all the way around this object, and because we can still see it, all of these lines remain thin. Now, because that spider, once it goes off the edge, we're no longer going to see it, so that line will stay, well, that line will go thick. Now the spider will walk off this edge. Are we going to see it? No, so this line's going to become thick. It's going to walk around off this object, so all of these lines on the edge will become thick, okay? So using your ruler, you would draw thick lines all the way around the edge of the 3D shape. Okay? Now, because we're going to be designing toiletry packaging, and toiletry packaging might actually look a little bit like this. So I'm just going to get my isometric paper and just pop it underneath. And with our toiletry packaging, we're going to actually see inside of it, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do this. So we've got three triangles going down, so I'm going to draw 3 triangles going down from this line here. Then I'm going to draw a line going across like so, okay? Now I'm going to show you how to draw thick and thin lines once you've drawn a 3D object where you can see inside of the object, okay? Now, at the minute, there's the spider. The spider is going to walk all the way around this object. We can still see it in this section, so all these lines here will stay thin, okay? Now the spider's on this part here. The spider's going to come off the end, and we're not going to be able to see it anymore, so that line's going to become thick. The spider's going to walk to the edge of here, but because it's going to go into the toiletry packaging, we're not going to be able to see it anymore, so this line is going to become thick. The spider is going to walk to the edge of there, and we're not going to be able to see it anymore, so that's going to become thick. So really, what it should end up looking like is this line goes thick, this line goes thick, the lines around here, like so. Now what I would recommend you do, if you find it difficult, is to use a pencil and to sketch the spider, and that can help you, but otherwise don't draw it in pen. I've just drawn it for a demo. But yeah, give it a go. Off you go.